So in this video, you learn how to lock albums on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to keep an album even more private by putting a lock on it, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by navigating to the Gallery app, then you want to navigate to the Settings menu. From here, you then want to scroll until you find Gallery Labs. If you don't have this feature currently enabled, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below, taking you through the process on how to do so. Once you've successfully enabled Gallery Labs, you're then going to go ahead and select it. From here, you then want to scroll down until you find this option, Album Entry Locks, and then you're just going to tap on the toggle next to it to enable it. Confirm that you wish to go through this process, and now you can successfully lock any albums on your phone. But in order for this effect to take place, you have to start by closing the Gallery app and then launching it again. Now from here, just navigate to your albums. And then once you're in your albums, you should see all the albums that you currently have created on your phone. So go ahead and find the one that you wish to lock. And then what you want to do is just long press on it to select it. And once it's been selected, in this pop-up that appears at the very bottom, tap on this More option. Next, select Lock Album. And then you should see it has a padlock icon, meaning it's been successfully locked. So if you ever want to access anything that's currently on it, you're just going to tap on it, enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern for your device, and then you can see all the images that are currently in your album. And once you're done, all you need to do is just go back and the album will re-lock itself. And so that is how you can lock any albums on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.